Oh no. Oh no, I forgot my life choices already. Is it higher all of a sudden than I thought it was? Oh god! I don't do drop towers, I do shows. The faces I'm pulling are something. It's like a really weird view of a play area at the moment from this angle. I got you. I'm gonna stop talking. You can tell it doesn't do drop towers.
Go again.
On the other angle this time. Hello. I'm not going to be waving for long.
But yeah, just
Oh, I love you.
without the tree.
I was going to say it's a nice view, but can't see a lot today because there's a tree in the way. It's a nice view. I don't know if I
Just get a reaction on that. Oh, that's great.
I'm having a lot more fun than I am. Reminder, I'm not a drop tower person. Don't know why I'm doing it.
You ever get that thinking feeling? Every day of my life.
I'm having a great time. Like I said, it's built on a cliff.
They said like Darcy's
Oh.